Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've posted my video, but I thought I'd post this one. Just recently I had a check engine light come up on my vehicle, and when I was checking it, what was happening was it went into safety mode whilst I was driving, and to be quite honest, I really didn't know what was going on. Went into safety mode a few times. I cleared the errors. Errors that I got was P1516 and P2101. These two codes are basically known for your throttle body issue. I tried to do a couple of diagnoses. What I did was I looked at the old throttle body, which is up here, and this old throttle body actually had quite a lot of carbon buildup, but it's all clean now. But you can see it around the ring over there. This actually had some carbon buildup from the previous owner, who actually looked after this car. Unfortunately, what he didn't do was clean that throttle body, and as a result, what ends up happening is that the carbon that builds inside over here sometimes starts blocking or jamming the butterfly from actually opening up. What that does is it then, whilst you're driving, then causes an issue, triggers an issue to the computer and tells the computer, hey, there's something wrong. We actually have to go into limp mode now, and I can tell you it's not the best feeling. So what I did was I went online, I guess did some root cause analysis, spoke to a couple of guys on just Commodore. Thank you guys for helping out with this particular situation. First things first, they said, yep, clean out the carbon, which I did. Clean out the carbon, and then the second thing they said was actually, clean the plug out, see if there's any dirt or anything like that causing the issue. I did that, all done. Then I put it back on. Next thing you know, I drove the car maybe a kilometer down the road and it became limp mode again. Doing a little bit more research online, it pretty much just said, look, if that's not going to work, best thing to do is put in a new throttle body. So I purchased this throttle body online. It's an L77 throttle body. You can actually get it on Amazon. The genuine parts, to be honest, is quite expensive. So this is aftermarket, but it's been doing the job perfectly. Cost me 99 bucks from Amazon. It's meant for an L77. They usually go on the Chevrolets and the Camaros. Works fine, to be honest, no issues whatsoever. Once I put that new one on, it's actually really simple. You just got 1, 2, 3, and there's another one just down there, 4 bolts. Just got to remove it. The kit comes with the bolts, so you've actually got these ones. These are the Allen key ones. I actually like those. And it's just one plug over here. Just remove that, and it's simple as that. It comes off, put it back on, just clean around the end of it, but like absolutely no issue, to be quite honest. Absolutely no issue. So you can see from the back here. So no, I didn't have to put on any gaskets or anything like that. Just put it straight on, put this back on, and started driving it. One of the issues that I had whilst driving it was it actually went back onto limp mode. So just for your information, guys, and I really want to stress this, that once you put in a new idle, what you have to do is you have to do a idle relearn. Once you've done an idle relearn, that's the only time that the limp mode would actually go off, or that check engine light, or that code that you get, which is P1516 and P2101. All right. Once that's done, you can drive the car perfectly. So hope that helped, guys. Enjoy. Good luck. I'm gonna put the throttle body link on the comments. So if you need to know how to actually do it, you're more than welcome. But what I'll do is I'll quickly just go through it with you right now. So for an automatic transmission, turn off the ignition, restore the PCM feed battery, turn off the AC control, set the park brake and block the drive wheels, start the engine, shift the transmission selector into D drive, allow the engine to idle for 10 minutes, turn on the AC control after 10 minutes, allow the engine to idle for 10 minutes, and then shift the transmission after that into park, allow it to idle for 10 minutes, turn off the AC, again allow it to idle for 10 minutes, turn off the engine for 30 seconds, and you should be good to drive. Okay, I'll also put in the manual one in there, but I'll make sure that I actually got that link there for you. All right, hit me up, click that subscribe button, and I'll get some more content coming up shortly. Thank you.